everyone, welcome to StarLogic's YouTube channel. In the part of global positioning system, today we are going to discuss about system architecture of the GPS. These are the contents in this video. The GPS system is based on a network of satellites. The system is made up of around 29 satellites which are located nearly 20,000 kilometers above the Earth's surface and operates in all weather conditions. This system is largely available in all parts of the world 24 hours a day. The US Department of the Defense has originally put the satellites into orbit for military use but made them available for civilian use in 1980s. The GPS is also used for navigation in planes and ships. It helps military and civilian users have critical advantage with the continuous real-time and three-dimensional positioning data. This is the architecture of the global positioning system. The architecture of the global positioning system consists of three segments or units, namely GPS space segment, second one GPS control segment, and third one GPS receiver or user segment. Let us discuss about space segment. The main function of the GPS space segment is to transmit radio navigation signals with a specific signal structure and to store the transmit navigation message sent by a controlled segment. These transmissions are controlled by highly stable atomic clocks on boards of the satellites. The US Defense committed to maintain the availability of at least 24 operational GPS satellites to obtain the 95% of accuracy of time. To ensure this commitment, the Air Force has been used 31 operational GPS satellites from the past few years. Let us discuss about ground segment or control segment. The control segment is also known as ground segment. It is responsible for proper operation of GPS system. The signals transmission and receiving of the satellites happens with a wireless transmission media. If there is a no control segment, then not possible of locating the position, more errors will occur in the navigation. So we need to control segment. The control segment consists of three subsystems, namely monitor stations, master control station, and ground antennas. Let us discuss about each one individually. The first subsystem is master control station. It is also known as MCS. The master control station is used to process the measurements received by the monitor stations. Next stations is monitor stations. These are also called as network of globally distributed monitor stations. In the short form, it is also known as MSS. These monitor stations are used to estimate the satellite orbits and clock errors among the other parameters and to generate the navigation message. The next subsystem is ground antennas. The ground antennas is also known as network of ground antennas. In this short form, it is also known as GAS. These ground antennas are used to upload the navigation message and errors which are co-located in 4 monitor stations. The monitor stations are Ascension Island, Cape Canaveral, Diego Garcia, and Kwajalein. This is about control segment. The next segment is user segment. The user segment is also known as receiver segment because it was composed by receiver. The main function of user segment is to receive the GPS signals, determine the pseudo-random ranges, solve the navigation equation in order to obtain their coordinates, and to provide very accurate time information.